Hi everyone, and welcome to One Guy, 5 Fails. I don't know, why did I choose that name? I don't know, f it, I'll just roll with it. Today I'm going to show you how to cook pork in the most simple and most perfect way. The first thing you'll need is a cutting board. Wait, what? Miss Hella. A lot of you might not know this, but I'm actually really good at knitting, so I'm going to teach you how to... What? How? Oh my goodness! I just realised something. I managed to knit and iron! That's insane! If you want me to teach you how to do that, hit that subscribe button. You'll learn it in no time, I promise. Alright, now I'm going to take a shit. Oh my god, that's not a shit! Oh. Alright, now I'm going to teach you how to draw. God damn it. And now finally, let me teach you the ultimate surviving skill. It works every time.